Well, it's Monday night. I didn't get off till late, but I'm gonna see if I can do as good as Tyler with the old 3-step ZEP. Get this little spot done here. Douglas has removed the window and the trim from around the back door. He's over here cleaning and painting it. It was all faded. He'll have her looking good. Got our nitrogen bottle filled because Daryn left it on and it all leaked out. Did get the floor in the trailer mopped. Put the rugs back down. Got them vacuumed up. Truck is done. Well, the outside's done anyway. We got a couple things on the inside we're going to do, and then see what comes about after that. This is a crap we fight. Old bottle went right in there, no problem. Come out, no problem. This one won't go in. So we got to unbolt the dang spring smasher, slide it forward, get it in. Slide the spring smasher back, bolt it back down, and then bolt the bottle to the spring smasher. 5-minute job, takes 30 minutes. Dave exchanged the bottle Friday, dropped it off today. Definitely a bigger bottle. We're out of hose. And the surge protector will not plug into the outlet. That's good. Well, that's 3 coats on it. Let her dry overnight. See what she looks like tomorrow. Douglas is butt deep in the generator compartment. Yeah. You get it figured out?
Yep. It's mainly the front. I'm gonna bolt me a bracket in there. I'm gonna make me a plate to conform with this to come out, and then bolt the 2 bolts there, and then bolt 2 in here. I can reach all of it. I can take the cover off too, but that'll actually support it. We won't have that
rattling.
Well, it don't rattle the way I got it now, but it'll help it
beef it up.
It'll beef it up. There you go. That's exactly what it'll do. I can definitely do that.
Looks like we got to make an inner door panel. Crapper's full Clark. 16 years. That's from salt. We haven't driven it in salt, but it's been in salt. We got a guy coming. Daryn's got a guy coming to buy the nose and these fenders. Old girl will be riding again shortly. Well, that's it for this week till Saturday. Daryn is leaving Wednesday night, which will probably be the day you guys see this. Wednesday afternoon, he's heading to Rocket. Anybody want to take a guess on what color the new car is going to be? I've seen the design. I know what it is, but anybody want to take a guess? That's going to do it for this one. We will catch you all Saturday, probably. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think the new car is going to be color-wise. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. Make sure you hit that bell. Drop us a like.